Hey guys, it's me, Lily. Welcome back to my channel. You are in for a very special treat today. I am in Cabo, San Lucas, Mexico at the beautiful Rio Santa Fe Resort. It's going to be a really special trip. It's also a part of my month-long birthday celebration, and I'm really excited to have you guys come along with me. So here we go. Alright guys, so we are here at the Rio Santa Fe in Cabo. Cabo is on the southern, Cabo is a part of Mexico for those of you who are geographically challenged. It is on the southernmost peninsula of California. So if you look at the state of California, you go all the way down. There's a peninsula called Baja California Sur. And that's where Cabo is located. It is not on the mainland of Mexico. It is a little bit separate from the mainland, if that makes sense. But it's really beautiful. We are staying at an all-inclusive resort where everything is included, your drinks, your food. The drinks are a little watered down, which is understandable because if everything is all-inclusive, then obviously, you know, they want to save money as much as possible. But we got here on Saturday. Was it Saturday we got here? Yeah, we got here on Saturday, so we're going to be here for a whole week. I'm actually going to be working from here because I used up all of my vacation time. I used up all of my vacation time on my previous trip to Vegas. So we are here today. Actually, today is day 3. It's just I'm now getting over the jet lag. So yeah, we're going to be looking at the different sites across Cabo. We're going to go to the Arches, which is my favorite place to visit. I had to go somewhere quiet to film this because there's so much noise in the pool area. So I couldn't really record anything because of the copyright laws that they have on YouTube. So I had to go into the lobby to record. But yeah, I am so excited to show you guys this episode. I'm heading back to the pool now. As you can hear, the music is starting. So I need to end the video here, but I will see you in a little bit. Bye.
You